Welcome back to Unstable TV! And you're through to Irish Couple Reacts. And do stay tuned because this happens every week.
So if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of these videos. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you!
Thank you again for joining us on Unstable TV. So what are we watching this week, Danielle?
So today, James, we're gonna look at, are Indians really good at math? I'm gonna say yes. What are you gonna say, boy?
I'm gonna assume yeah. So without further ado, we'll jump straight into the react.
Hey guys, it's Marie from Asian Boss. What is 9 cubed? Try to figure this out in your head without using a calculator. Of the many stereotypes that people have of Indians, hit the streets of Mumbai to find out whether or not ordinary Indians are good at math. So let's dive right in.
So, a BBC report stated that an Indian bride walked out of the wedding after the groom failed to solve 15 plus 6. How do you feel about this?
That's 21.
I think she
21?
Yes, actually.
Perfect. That's like basic knowledge. Anyone should get to know how to add 15 and 6. All the best to her.
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, she's right about that.
I mean, if I can't do it, I'll be okay if someone walks out on me as well. Like, it's such a stupid
that is
thing.
pretty shameful though. Like, it's not
I mean, if you can't solve 15 plus
Yeah.
6, then you're stupid. Then nobody deserves you.
I feel bad.
Oh,
I obviously feel bad because, see, marriage is not something, with two people connect not because of their intelligence. The heart should be connected, I feel.
If this was an incident in the
Oh,
rural,
yeah,
rural
well, you know,
India,
she's right there.
specifically in the areas like Haryana and that sort of plate, so yeah, being good at mathematics and sciences is a matter of pride over there. Like relatives will come to your house, instead of asking, hey, how you're doing in life, how comfortable are you, like what do you want, they will ask you mathematical tables and stuff like that just to prove themselves, make you feel small or like check you out.
Globally, Indians are known for being good at math. Do you think this is true?
I don't think that's true, but for some specific cases it could be true.
Yeah, it is true.
Yeah, I guess in a way, it is a little bit true. The way that we taught math is different than the way I guess other countries do.
It doesn't stand for everyone, you see. We
Well,
have
yeah, I can only imagine it's
diversity in
different.
terms of that,
Yeah.
and not everyone can be good in maths. That's a wrong conception if you have that.
That's because we have a lot of maths from childhood. We don't depend on calculators, we don't depend on computers so much. So definitely they are better at numbers.
In a scale of 1 to 10, how good would you say you are in math?
1.
7.
7. How much do you usually score?
Above 90.
Actually, I'm really bad. I wouldn't say anything. You can say 2 or 3.
I'm going to ask you a couple of math questions, okay? Try your best to answer
Can
them.
we get the line?
Yeah,
What
let's try this
is
with them.
87 plus 87?
174.
174.
What is 87 plus 87?
8 and 8 is
12
16,
into
160.
168.
No? Okay. What is the square of 18?
Yeah, that'll be made. No.
324.
What is the square of 18?
324.
It's fine. You can take it.
326.
You are there, 324. What is the square of 18?
324.
That's true. Cube of 9?
Like what?
81, 721, something like that.
729.
What's that taking like 3 seconds?
What
Yeah,
is the
exactly.
cube of 9?
729.
Yeah. What is the root of 256?
16.
No.
Yes. What is the square of 12?
144.
Okay. And he says that I'm not good at math. What is the cube of 9?
Yeah, exactly.
729.
That's true. Root of 256?
7, 16.
That's true. What is
How?
the cube of 9?
729.
That's right. What is the root of 256?
16.
What is the root of 256?
16.
16 is true. Okay.
I was
So
really
how
laugh
are
it
those
off,
questions
like, yeah,
easy or
I just
difficult
noted
for
it.
you?
They were okay. I mean, they were not too hard.
these kind of math problems are actually easy for Asians.
How are they taught math over
India
there?
seems to have a
Because this
unique
is
way
not
of
the way they are
calculating
taught
big
math.
numbers in their head and with their fingers. Could you show me how to do it?
So you have like 4 divisions in each of your fingers.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
4 in each. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and it goes till 20. 5 into 4, 20. So that way you keep counting. If you have to add something, suppose 8 and 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and you have to add 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that gives you a 12.
How did you do the first one? 87 plus 87? How did you do that?
What?
80 plus 80, that's
Yeah,
116. And then
geniuses.
7 plus 7, 14.
Okay. So there you go.
I only have
them up, yeah.
160
There is
versions.
no
Get me for
particular
other
way
math.
to solve a question, a particular question, and those ways are not just told by our teachers, or
Yeah.
we ourselves discover some ways to solve a particular question.
Do students use calculators in
Yeah.
school in India?
No calculators.
So I know that for a fact in universally, I'm pretty sure most of the countries they allow, Western education allows calculators, but in India, like even right now in college and even for the entrance exams and stuff, you have no access to calculators, whether it's derivatives, integration, nothing. So yeah, it's
Do you think that the
just
Indian
the first one,
society
yeah.
has high standards for the general public on math?
yeah. I think Indians are expected to know quite a, like mental
That's
maths and
the
stuff
same,
pretty
yeah.
well. Even if you're in a
Yeah.
corporate, if you're working in an office or something, like there are some things that people expect you to know without taking to calculate without using a calculator, basically.
It does because, see, this is the land where zero was discovered, okay? So it is intrinsically in our brains that we are good at maths and plus accounting concepts, everything was developed in India. So it's a basic understanding that all Indians have in their mind that you should be good in maths.
When you're going to the government schools, you'll have below average English teachers, below average social science teachers, but you'll have alright mathematics teachers. So naturally your expectations for mathematics grows from there only.
If you consider Indian parents, which is the Desi parents, then yes, they do actually. I mean, I scored 80 to 100 on math, which I think is pretty good. But my parents were not happy at all.
What would you like to say to people overseas
Whoa.
who have these stereotypes about India?
Not all of us are good at math, but quite a few are. So that's it. I mean, there are quite a few things you all are good at. The only thing I'd say is the fact that they do not allow children to rely on calculators is like the biggest thing, because that really does help in the future. If you don't need to, you don't have the urge to take a calculator out and you're able to do stuff on your own.
To be very honest, I myself want to know and research about that why is this stereotypical image that we Indians are only good at maths, and why not the outsiders one? Don't have the stereotype in their minds that only Indians are good at maths. It depends only on the person.
It is actually the social pressure
that's
due
cool,
to which
cool, yeah.
the perception is that majority of the Indians are good at mathematics. Actually, the natural capability is, I believe, the same all over the world. It's the socio-cultural phenomenon over here which promotes mathematics in a way, and you see the result that way.
Did this video change your perspective of Indians' math skills? Let us know in the comments. For more authentic insight into the latest news and culture trends from all over Asia, be sure to subscribe to Asian.
What do you think of that?
I feel like every country in the world should be taught math without a calculator, because you get so dependent on it that you just get lazy.
Yeah, that's pretty true.
Yeah.
Big shout out to the original content creator, very well put together, and thanks again for showing this perspective to the world. But I will say one thing though, all of them being interviewed, they answered them questions quick. I'm still thinking about the first question.
But again, if you're taught your whole life to do these equations in your head, it's just going to be natural to you, isn't it?
It's like it's easy as putting your clothes on. Really.
Yeah, because we, like, as soon as we get into, I don't even know, the age of like 12 or something like that, we have to use calculators for everything then. We can use calculators in exams and everything as well, which obviously makes it easier.
I will, like, that's crazy. Like, they even hear and understand their entrance exams and everything, you're not allowed to have a calculator or anything like that. We would be in lost without that.
Yes. I wouldn't have gotten anywhere.
I use a calculator and I'm still not good at maths.
Yeah, I'm saying.
So let us know down in the comments below, anyone from India watching, what's your take on that stereotype, and what do you think the perspectives they had in this video? What do you agree with them? What's your take on it? And let us know in the comments down below.
It's a good stereotype to have though.
Yeah, 100%.
It's intelligent. Don't look at it in a bad way.
Should be proud of it.
Yeah, 100%.
Mathematics and science, that's an amazing feat to have. Our stereotype's alcohol, so you should be happy with that. Bread.
Guinness.
Guinness. So as always, you are the beautiful people of YouTube, and we have been Unstable TV.
So drop a comment below and let us know what you thought of this reaction video. And if you have any suggestions for us to do, let us know too.
And as always, we will see you in the next one. Bye.